Every great life tells a story, but you don't need hours to hear it. At LifeSnaps, we bring you powerful biographies of artists, icons, and legends in just minutes. Subscribe now. Meet original Koffee, born Mikayla Victoria Simpson on February 16, 2000. At just 19, she became the youngest and first female artist to win a Grammy for Best Reggae Album with her debut EP, Rapture. In just a few years, she has redefined reggae and brought Jamaican culture to the world stage, from viral tributes to Usain Bolt to topping charts globally. Her story is one of talent, resilience, and passion. In the next few minutes, we'll snap into the life of this Jamaican sensation, her rise, her music, her lifestyle, and what makes her one of the most influential young artists in the world today. So stay tuned, because this story is as inspiring as it is unforgettable. Koffee is young, bold, unstoppable. She's original Koffee. At just 19 years old, she became the youngest and first female artist to ever win a Grammy for Best Reggae Album. From a viral Usain Bolt tribute to global tours, this is the story of how a quiet girl from Spanish Town became the voice of a new reggae era. Big lives, small snaps. This is Koffee. Mikayla Victoria Simpson was born in Spanish Town, Jamaica. Raised mostly by her mother, who worked in the Ministry of Health and also dabbled in acting, while her father moved to New York, Koffee grew up in a home built on resilience and love. Church shaped her. Singing in the Seventh-day Adventist choir gave her the soulful foundation you still hear in her voice today. At just 12 years old, she borrowed a guitar and taught herself how to play. Her early inspirations were Protoge and Chronix, two artists pushing modern reggae forward. But no one expected the shy teenager to shine. That changed when she surprised everyone by winning her high school talent show. And then came the spark. Legend, a heartfelt acoustic tribute to Usain Bolt. When the Sprint King himself reposted it, Koffee's name started buzzing across Jamaica. Her official debut came in 2017 with Burning, a song about perseverance and faith. Then came Ragamuffin. And then, Toast. Produced by Walshy Fire of Major Lazer, Toast wasn't just a song. It was an anthem of gratitude that lit up radio stations, parties, and playlists around the world. But the real breakthrough came with her 2019 EP Rapture. It climbed straight to #1 on the Billboard Reggae chart. And in 2020, history was made. Koffee walked away with a Grammy for Best Reggae Album. The youngest, the only female, ever. For Koffee, it wasn't about the awards. It was about bringing reggae into the mainstream spotlight and making the world dance to Jamaica's heartbeat again. In March 2022, she released her debut album, Gifted. This was Koffee in full bloom. Reggae at the core, but blended with dancehall, pop, R&B, and even Afrobeats. Tracks like Lockdown became a pandemic anthem. Pull Up kept the energy high. The album peaked at #2 on the Billboard Reggae Albums chart, selling nearly 200,000 units in its first run. Proof that reggae in Koffee's hands wasn't just surviving. It was thriving globally. Now let's talk about the person behind the music. Koffee's net worth? It depends who you ask. Some sources estimate around $5 million US. Others claim closer to 20 million. What's clear? Her value is rising fast. And her personal life? Koffee has publicly described herself as single, focusing entirely on her career. No spouse, no children. Rumors of an engagement, whispers about her orientation, they circulate online. But none of these have ever been confirmed by Koffee herself. Her lifestyle is refreshingly simple. No flashy excess, just grounded, natural, authentic. She's known for her minimalist skincare routine, her radiant smile, and her constant pride in representing Jamaican roots. Koffee isn't chasing fame. She's building legacy. Koffee's artistry is all about balance, honoring reggae tradition while pushing it into the future. And the future looks bright. In April 2025, she's set to release a new single titled Koffee, this time under her stage name, Original Koffee. A reintroduction. A statement. She's already rocked stages like Coachella. She's toured with Harry Styles across Latin America. And she shows no signs of slowing down. Her mission is clear: keep reggae alive. Keep it global. Keep inspiring. From church choirs in Spanish Town to Grammy stages around the world, Koffee proves that talent, humility, and vision can rewrite history. She isn't just an artist. She's a movement. Big lives. Small snaps. That's Koffee. And the fans? They can't get enough. First female. Koffee wins Grammy for Best Reggae Album 2020. She created history. Reddit, Koffee is putting reggae back on the global map. Twitter, her music makes me feel proud to be Jamaican. Instagram, from social media cheers to sold-out shows. The world is listening. And Koffee is leading the conversation. And the fans? They can't get enough. First female. Koffee wins Grammy for Best Reggae Album 2020. She created history. The world is listening. And Koffee is leading the conversation. From the small streets of Spanish Town, where church choirs filled the air with melody, Koffee began her journey with nothing but a borrowed guitar and a dream. Today, she stands on global stages, her music bridging cultures and generations, carrying the heartbeat of Jamaica to the world. Her story is one of talent, dedication, and humility. A reminder that even the smallest beginnings can ignite the brightest flames. She's not just an artist, she's a movement, inspiring a new era of reggae and proving that passion knows no boundaries. Big lives. Small snaps. That's Koffee. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you loved exploring Koffee's journey, don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you never miss a beat. Drop your favorite Koffee moment in the comments. We read them all. And remember, big lives. Small snaps. That's Koffee.